Hey guys, quick video on how to get the NFL Sunday Ticket with your YouTube TV subscription. So what we're going to do is head on over to a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. I'll post a link down in the video description. Once you log in to your YouTube TV account, what we want to do from the home page is go here towards the upper right-hand corner and click on this little circle. That'll open up this drop-down menu, and from there what we want to do is click on where it says Settings. This takes us over to our settings page. Make sure you're selected on the membership tab right here at the top, and then it'll show you your YouTube TV plan that you currently have. Right below that is where you have the options for the NFL Sunday Ticket, whether you want to just get the NFL Sunday Ticket or you can get the Sunday Ticket plus Redzone. Decide which one you want to go with, and then you can click the add option. And this will charge the same payment that you're using to pay for your YouTube TV subscription, and it will add it to your subscription overall. And this membership tab is where you find all of the information on anything that you can add to your YouTube TV subscription. And also, if you'd ever want to unsubscribe to something, it'll just show this manage button next to your subscription. You can click on that, and you could cancel it from there if you wanted to do so. So I hope this video was helpful going over where you can find the NFL Sunday Ticket subscription option in your YouTube TV account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.